Hello. Today we're going to be playing some Pet Simulator. So, I downloaded Roblox already. It's not working. Why is it not working? That's crazy. It is not working. Not working. Let's see what happens. I'll download and install Roblox even. By the way, I do play Fortnite, but Fortnite on PC doesn't really work. Oh my god. So, see you guys back when I got it. Bye! See you guys back! Bye. See you back. Alright guys, I'm back and I got this to work. So, I never streamed this. Well, this might be a little bad. This is really bad. Let me just leave and rejoin. Sorry. I'm not gonna make it full screen because whenever I make it full screen, you can't really see the whole screen. So I'm gonna do it like this. Alright. So I have really good pets, like they're okay. If any of you want to donate something, I don't know, it's your choice. I don't have a lot of good stuff. It's okay. I don't have any looks, but I have a lot of coins though. No way of volume. Okay, so I'm gonna go first person. And I could open like the big giant diamond chest over there in like 8 seconds. Wait, 8 seconds? Kind of, yeah. 360. Alright, that was really bad. Leave a like and subscribe because I only have 1 or 2 subscribers. Because I'm just starting. I just started yesterday. And leave a like and subscribe. That's really it. So when I get to the moon side, I unlocked everything. I unlocked the gold big chest. I unlocked the... You know what? This is taking so long, so I'm gonna cut the video and I'll see you guys back when I get to the moon. Alright, so tonight, oh my god, alright, so guys, I just wanted to show you how fast I could open the big chest. And look how fast, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I didn't click 4, but anyways. I'm almost there. I have a lot of coins and a lot of moon coins. I have 48 million. So I'm gonna trade people and see what they have. trade this guy first. Because I need some better stuff. I have better stuff than him. I'll give him something free. I'll give him a gold spike. Give him one of these and one of these. Sorry, that was kind of weird. Ready up. Okay. 25 messages. 1, 2, 3, 4. I opened the big chest only once because I don't know. It really takes a long time to open. It's probably gonna take a long time. Yeah. So you might as well wait. It's a big chest. So I'm gonna show you my whole inventory. Right now I'm trying to make a dark matter spike. I have a lot of stuff. Wait. Oh, I got it. So I'll put like 2 on here and I'll work with 2. This is like the whole thing. That's coming soon. 38 messages. So much. I'm new to Roblox. Okay. Shoutouts to everybody in the game. If you see your name, please subscribe or something. These are all the people. Shoutouts to them. I'm gonna say hi to YouTube, everyone. Say hi to. Oh, I hate the hashtags. Say hi to YT. Say hi to YouTube, everyone. Say hi to YouTube. My God, your huge is cool. Oh, I think that's a pet. I'm not good at typing. So bored. So I'm gonna. My friend said it was huge. So I'm gonna go open some chests. I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna open a little. I'm gonna open like the eggs and see what I can get out of them. Blue bush. What do you have? Better. I have better loot. Better pets. I will not be live streaming Fortnite. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that because I have a Mac and it's really laggy. But like one day I'm probably gonna stream on like Xbox One or something. Ooh, look at this guy. Whoa. Look at all his pets he has. What's his name? Can I have a magic box? So I'm probably gonna stop. Probably gonna like stop opening a chest when I reach a gold pet. Say me. He said say me, so I say me. Get it? No, it's not funny. Oh, it's free? Mine. That was really weird. But it's free? What? All you have is a dog. I like helping out people. Lag. I'm just gonna give him this. A dog huge. A dog huge? It's not a thing! A dog huge? I don't even want that. This is not a pet. So what is it? So that was complete. If you guys want to give me any free or cool pets, just friend me and maybe I'll pick it up. But I do have a lot of pets though. I mean a lot of friends. And I'm new to Roblox. And also, if you're still in the game, you could friend this guy. He has a cool. Wait, he left. His name is XX Red and Blue Gamer. So it's XX Red and Blue Red _ Blue Gamer. XX. So shoutouts to him. And I also play Fortnite. My name is on Fortnite. GF capital all capitals GFL all capitals _ capital G U lowercase G U BEAN no caps HEAD. GFL Juju Beanhead. Don't make fun of me. And I'm almost alright. So my inventory is full. Let's see if I can make any things gold. I think I can make a spike gold. I can. Can I make this gold? No. I know I can't make a magic fox gold. I have a lot of gold pets. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 magic foxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 magic pets. So I'm gonna end the video soon, like in about 3 minutes. So if you guys want to friend me or anything, I'll leave it in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. A dog huge is not a thing. There's like a Dominus huge or something like that. It's not a thing. Hurry up. I wish you could have you could pick how much eggs you want to open at once. I would probably pick 30. And if you get 10 spikes, you just would say spikes, and in the top left corner it would say 10. I got a lot of spikes. That's why I'm making a rainbow one. It's about 7 million or 6 million, the dark matter one. Yeah. Alright, so let's see if we can make anything else gold. I made that gold. I don't think I got a lot of magic foxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. Ooh, there's a lot of magic foxes. I hope they make a better chest that has that's all of them are 1 million or 3 million or something like that. It would be close to the amount, probably triple the amount of this, 500 million. I just need a couple more magic foxes. I need 3 or 4. How much space do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 magic fox. 2. 3. 4. One more. 5. See? And I think I'm going to end the video here, guys. See you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on those notifications. Bye, guys. Bye. By the way, I made a gold magic fox. Bye.